Nou, op de CeBIT hebben we dus ook hele andere dingen dan echt computers, zeg maar. In dit geval een prosthetische hand, of arm eigenlijk. En daarmee kun je, ja, als je geen arm meer hebt, kun je alsnog natuurlijk goed tillen en dat soort dingen. En ja, we willen natuurlijk uiteindelijk allemaal zeg maar, wel een prosthetische hand, want dan kun je gewoon wat zwaarder tillen, zeg maar. Een soort van Terminator gevoel krijgen. En hier hebben we ja, professor Franke. En hij gaat ons iets vertellen in het Engels over deze nieuwe vinding. So, hello.
Hello.
This is your newest experiment or finding. Could you tell us how it works?
Yes, of course. It is a prototype of a so-called neuroprosthesis, and we use a biologically inspired artificial hand to execute motions of the human hand. It's a prototype that is very similar to the human hand. And we control it by nerve signals that are gained in animal experiments at the state right now. And in this case, a microelectrode is inserted into the nerve channel, and then the nerve regenerates through the electrode. Then we are able to get the information from the electrode and have to do the signal processing. And we apply a self-learning algorithm called artificial neural network. It's the so-called coherent card. And this card can learn the structure of the information by itself. It can separate different clusters of signals that we have in the nerve, and it does it by itself. So it learns what the nerve sends through.
So you have to tell the computer what movement you make?
Yes, that's the next step. After the classification, we know what kind of signals we have. Then, in the next step, we have to tell the system what kind of action should be executed by this artificial hand. And so we couple the two systems together. The one is the neural signal processing, and the other one is the artificial hand that executes the action then.
And it's all mechanical, and how strong is it? Is it as strong as a human hand?
Yes, nearly. We achieve 10 kilograms per finger, and I think this is quite enough for an artificial hand. It's even more than the state-of-the-art prosthesis or artificial hands can hold. And also the repertoire or the range of motion is similar to the human hand because it's some kind of copy of the human hand. We use the skeleton structure, and we also use some kind of tendons to control it.
And will it ever be stronger even than the human hand, maybe? That you have a really bionicle arm that you can punch someone with?
Well, maybe it could, but why should it? I think it's okay right now.
Okay, yeah, just for the sci-fi.
Yeah.
And when will it be implemented for the first time, you think?
We have all the partners on board. We have hand surgeons. We have also orthopedic service provider for the stump of the prosthesis and the daily care of the patient, and we have our technology on board, and so we are just waiting for the fund, and it will start as soon as the fund is available.